All right, I'm going to share with you my most exciting order thus far. So this is a jacket I found at the thrift store. I was actually thrifting with my mom on the senior day, so I was able to get it for 50% off, which made it about $7.50. So I got this jacket for $7.50, and you can tell I'm a newbie because the coloring of these photos is not very good. The jacket was actually more of a teal color. I didn't really get that across in the pictures here. But I liked the style of the jacket. There was something about it that made me stop, take a picture, and look it up. And I couldn't believe what I found. Yep, it is the same jacket worn by Bella Swan in the Twilight movie. And so when I was looking up the comps for this, I couldn't believe that they were in the 200s. I was thrilled to grab this, pick it up for such a good deal. I took the pictures. I made sure that I marketed it as seen on Bella Swan and Twilight. Also, I used Y2K because that's now 20 years ago. And this was my main picture that I used. I've got 2 photos of the jacket and 3 pictures of Bella wearing it for Twilight. I'm not sure if we're even allowed to use those pictures, but I used them, and I was able to sell this for $188 plus shipping. What a deal.